fluffy bao buns without a steamer. The secret to pillowy bao buns is creating perfect steam, and it can be done with simple kitchen tools. First, grab a large, deep pan with a tight-fitting lid. Fill it with about a centimetre of water. Place a heat-proof plate or shallow bowl in the water. This creates your makeshift steaming platform. Bring the water to a gentle simmer. Arrange the bao buns on a piece of parchment paper, leaving space between each one. The paper prevents sticking and makes handling easier. Carefully place the parchment with buns onto the plate. Lightly brush the buns with water before steaming. This adds moisture for even fluffier results. Cover with the lid immediately to trap the steam. Let them warm up without lifting the lid. The gentle, moist heat transforms the buns into soft, cloud-like perfection. They're ready when they feel light and springy to touch. Perfect buns, zero hassle. Enjoyed this video? Click to like, share and subscribe.